Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. That is a 14 by 14 inch canvas, and I have an experiment in mind right after I finish priming. And making modern art for a moment, which is my thing. I like black and white, what can I say? I always enjoy priming the canvas. A lot of times I will make a recording. They don't take long. They're only like a half a minute. So my idea is kind of new, kind of not new. Instead of a shovel, which is what my original thought was, I'm going to use what I believe to be a laundry soap dispenser container. And what I will do is fill it up with paint as if it were a shovel and release it on the canvas, and then I expect to swipe it or smear it is more likely a better word for that. I think everything is pretty well covered. I'm going to throw that in the bucket. I want to just put that up. I have a little towel rest from a Japanese restaurant. Excuse my head. So in order to get some white in here, I'm going to use Anita's White Metallic as the base. I'm going to use colors I like. My Velveeta is just basically a yellow with some orange until I get the color I like. Here is some color shifting red from Folk Art. Here is some Hot Orchid. That's a prism pour from Color Art. I'm going to use a little bit of the Amethyst from Artist Loft. Some of the color shifting Purple Flash, also from Artist Loft. A little bit of the Electric Blue. These are all my favorite colors right now. Electric Blue from Arteza. I should put some more white on there. Well, in lieu of white, I'm going to put some of the Neon Violet. Well, that's pretty much the same color as the other one. Oh, I missed my Cobalt Blue is a turquoise from Artist Loft. I don't know why they call it Cobalt Blue. And then, assuming that I can get it open in time, my Decor Americana 24 karat gold. Come on. I got some, but not all. Alright, I'm hoping that's enough paint. I can see I got a couple of spots I need to hit with my finger on my canvas. Try and pick it up without making a mess of my hands. I'm going to let all that drain. I'm going to let it spread a little. I'm going to let it spread a lot. I'm going to wonder if I really want to smear because it's looking pretty cool. How far can I spread it? Probably pretty far. That's pretty neat. Just can't do anything in a conventional way, can I? Let's grab a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. Take the rest of that color right out of there. Because wasting paint is not on my agenda. And there's beautiful paint to be had. And I'm probably about to ruin it anyway. I could put a little bit more paint, like use some of this golden iridescent gold, and maybe, just maybe, a little more of the hot orchid. Yeah, I'm afraid I'm probably going to destroy something kind of cool in a second. I'm a little bummed about it. You know what I don't see a lot of in there? I don't see a lot of that cobalt blue. I'm feeling less and less like smearing all the time. I could torch. That's kind of neat. It would be a shame to smear, wouldn't it? Shall I use some white? Do I need any white? Huh, I had paint on my bottle. Bummer. Is that a reason to smear? I don't know. Probably not. I'm going to grab a little bit of the amethyst. That's just so fun. I'm having too much fun. I don't think I can smear. Under and over works well for creating some sort of dimension. Yep, okay. Forgive me for not smearing. And I'm going to grab something with a pointy end on it. Huh, I got a dot. Okay. Something with a pointy end on it also has some paint color on it. That's probably going to bleed. The gold often does. You know what? It has occurred to me that I have little tiny tools and plenty of black Amsterdam in my dish that I should contemplate using. So I'm going to do that. And the combination might be just darn fine. I am getting the hang of using my tools a little bit better, and it's fun. Let's get rid of that and that. And have some fun with that. I also don't mind my palette knife. Each tool has a different character. I'm having too much fun again. I want some of the Amsterdam White cell activator. And it's a good omen that it comes out of the bottle. Let's grab some of that. I don't think that's going to hurt anything. Kind of want a little bit more right here. This is fun. I'm loving this. I gotta recommend this highly. Combination. Really fun combination. Great colors. Little spiral never hurt anybody. Still a little tiny bit of paint. Alright, so I did smear after all. And I'm loving what I've got. And it's a lot of fun, and I love you guys, and I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I'm going to enjoy what I have without going too crazy about it. I don't know if I'd call it a shovel pour. I could probably throw a few dots in there, I'd be pretty happy, but I think they might be white dots if I did do something like that. And if I want to, I can always do that tomorrow. I don't have to do it now. I kind of want a little bit more purple. Right there. Because I want the eye to jump back and forth between this purple and that purple. It just kept calling to me. I had to do it. Just sort of very gently nudge the paint so that it will do your bidding or mine. I watched a video where somebody was doing cookie icing and they just poked at it and it evened itself out. It was pretty cool. I'm very happy with that. So I do sell my artwork, and my email address is the way to reach me. If you want to make an inquiry, please use it and look for it underneath the link tree. The first blue link under the video has my website, my Legallerist, which is investment clothing, my Amazon link, my Facebook groups, pixels.com, Fine Art America, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. It's got it all. Please give me a thumbs up. Share my videos if you're of a mind to. It's a big help to me. I appreciate it. If you watch longer, it's the biggest help of all. If you're looking for more playlists, look on my YouTube channel for all playlists, created playlists. I love this. This is right up my alley. That was a fun composition. And someday I'm gonna get my camera centered. I'm gonna zoom in for a few of these areas because they're so pretty. This is gonna dry magnificently, I can tell you now. I really like using that that golden iridescent gold in combination with the Decor Americana 24 karat gold. Oh, okay, that's frustrating. It's not cooperating again. All right, so you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Check out the exhibition video on the end screen of every video. It includes the monthly prizes at the beginning for the monthly drawing for those of you who contribute through PayPal or Patreon to support the production of videos at the studio. I need all the help I can get, and I really appreciate those of you who give it to me. Thank you so much. A couple more spirals never hurt anything, especially if they're tiny. You guys, what did I not tell you? There's probably all kinds of stuff. My Amazon link is on the link tree, and if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you. I have 2 books on there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. My spring clothing is the clothing you see below the video, and it's got all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. And the spring clothing and the Fine Art America Pixels.com clothing. If you can't find what you're looking for and you found a design of mine that you like, just ask me and I'll add it. And I'll send you a link, and all you have to do is use my email address. My paint pouring recipe and my cell activator recipe are underneath Show More. When you click Show More underneath the video, the description pops open, and you'll find what you're looking for. If you have questions, please ask me. My community board will show you tomorrow's video, and so will Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, the group on Facebook for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is joined by Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More, which will take you via the Shop Now button to Pixels.com and Fine Art America. But Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors will show you older YouTube video artwork, and someday it will show all of it to you, but not now, because I'm really, really busy. All right, you guys, bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell at Spring Hill, Florida, in Spring Hill, Florida, at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, saying thank you for all the inspiration. Thank you for the wonderful comments. Keep my morale boosted. And thank you so much for helping support the production of videos and keep me painting at the studio. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you guys. Bye for now. Priscilla out.